So I'm doing an unboxing of a WESCO electric screwdriver. I'll put the link in the description underneath. Screw instructions. Comes in a nice little bag. This is different to most of the other screwdrivers you get. There's your electric charger. This one's all built in. So all the screw attachments are actually built in the drill itself. And it looks like you get two lots of drill different attachments. I'll just have a look for the instructions and we'll go from there. So yeah, you change these, but yeah, so to put the actual screw out, lock it in, reverse, drive. If you want to change it to the other ones, take that out. Slide these back in. So you can technically change these for any heads you want. Straight in, spin it to line up, and then you've got your replacement drill bit in there already, and obviously they ain't coming out anywhere, so that's really handy little drill. It's got a work light on there. You charge from the bottom of the charger. Thanks for watching.